Do you believe the world is chaotic and random? Are you tired of struggling, not sure why you're not succeeding, but knowing without a doubt that you are not? What if I told you there are spiritual laws that envelop the universe and determine what we get in life, material things, experiences, and circumstances, and that the reason you're not living the life you want is because you failed to properly align with these spiritual forces? Stick around until the end if you want to learn how to wield these laws to live without limits. Beneath the fabric of existence lies a profound code, a sacred design that permeates all aspects of reality. These are not mere human constructs bound by spatial limitations. Rather, they are cosmic principles, eternal and ubiquitous. Unlike man-made rules that coerce through fear, these laws gently steer life towards enlightenment and fulfillment. They have influenced your history and will continue to mold your destiny, yet their greatest power lies in illuminating the present moment. As we explore these timeless truths, may they not only enrich your understanding, but also catalyze profound inner growth and change. The law of divine oneness underscores the profound interconnectedness of all beings, emphasizing that we are integral parts of a boundless, divine energy transcending individual existence. It illuminates the truth that every action, thought, and word resonates throughout the universe, influencing the collective whole. This understanding reveals the intrinsic unity of life, where every being's journey is intertwined. Recognizing this law fosters a sense of shared responsibility and compassion, as we acknowledge that harming others ultimately harms ourselves. Practicing the principle of divine oneness entails treating each encounter as an opportunity to extend kindness and empathy, embracing the inherent divinity within every individual. By embodying this awareness, we honor the golden rule, fostering harmony and interconnectedness in our daily interactions. What's more, we realize our true power, that which extends from the divine, since we are one with that power. The law of transmutation of energy reveals that everything, including our thoughts, emotions, and words, is composed of energy. This energy cannot be created or destroyed. Instead, it undergoes a transformation from one form to another. When we think or feel something, it radiates outward into the universe, shaping our reality. This law is the foundation of the principle that thoughts manifest into tangible outcomes. It's crucial to recognize that our thoughts and feelings are potent creators, constantly attracting corresponding energies into our lives. Therefore, it's essential to consciously choose positive thoughts and emotions as they align us with favorable outcomes. Dwelling on negative thoughts can inadvertently manifest undesirable circumstances, so it's vital to promptly shift our focus towards positivity. By swiftly replacing negative thoughts with positive ones, we redirect our energy towards creating a more desirable reality. The law of polarity illuminates the inherent duality present in all aspects of existence. It asserts that everything possesses two opposing ends, each complementing the other. Whether it's life's beginnings and endings, the spiritual and physical realms, or the polarities of energy, this law underscores the interconnectedness of opposites. Despite their apparent differences, these polarities are interconnected and interdependent. For instance, twin flames may appear dissimilar, but they share an intrinsic unity. Similarly, concepts like hot and cold or good and bad are merely varying degrees on a spectrum. In personal experiences, the law of polarity reminds us that even in our darkest moments, there exists the potential for illumination. Within our greatest challenges lie opportunities for growth, and amidst profound sorrow, the seeds of joy persist. The law of rhythm underscores the innate cycles and patterns that govern existence, encouraging us to embrace the natural ebb and flow of life. It highlights the importance of patience and surrendering to the organic unfolding of events. Just as the universe follows a rhythmic cadence, from the gentle sway of a pendulum to the cyclic transition of seasons, so too does our lives mirror this harmonious motion. Like the rhythmic tides and the seamless transition from day to night, our experiences oscillate between moments of activity and rest, growth and retreat, joy and sorrow. By aligning ourselves with these natural rhythms and relinquishing the urge to control, we can navigate life more gracefully. Attempting to impose our own schedule upon the universe only leads to chaos and frustration, whereas embracing the inherent rhythm brings peace and alignment. The law of gender transcends notions of male and female, focusing instead on the dynamic interplay between masculine and feminine energies inherent in both ourselves and the universe. The masculine energy is associated with action, logic, and assertiveness, while the feminine energy embodies intuition, creativity, and nurturing. By understanding and embracing both aspects, you can achieve greater balance and harmony in your life. Neither energy is superior, rather they complement each other harmoniously. Understanding this law underscores the significance of achieving equilibrium between these energies to unlock our full potential. It's not about diminishing one's masculinity or femininity, rather it's about embracing the entirety of our nature to attain wholeness as individuals. The law of vibration proposes that everything in our vast universe, from celestial bodies to microscopic particles, operates on unique frequencies or vibrations. Nothing remains static. Instead, all entities are in perpetual motion, resonating at varying frequencies. To manifest our desires, we must align our vibration with what we seek. For instance, to attract abundance, we must match the frequency of wealth. To cultivate love, we resonate with the frequency of affection. Likewise, to connect with a specific individual, both parties must attune to the same vibration. Recognizing this law shifts our perception of ourselves and our role in the cosmos. We transcend mere physical existence and realize that we are energetic beings pulsating at specific frequencies, shaping our experiences and interactions. Consider your thoughts and emotions. When enveloped in joy and positivity, you feel uplifted, akin to vibrating at a higher frequency. Conversely, negativity weighs you down, making you feel dense, as though vibrating at a lower frequency. The law of correspondence asserts that your inner state mirrors your external reality. It emphasizes that your thoughts and emotions directly influence the events unfolding around you. Essentially, what occurs externally is a direct reflection of your internal landscape. As the adage goes, as within, so without. If you harbor positive feelings about yourself, the world appears harmonious and bright. Conversely, if you experience inner turmoil, external circumstances may seem chaotic and challenging. This law unveils a profound truth. You are the architect of your reality. By altering your internal state, your thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes, you wield the power to reshape your external world. Your mental constructs create the canvas upon which your life unfolds, influencing the events and experiences you encounter. To transform your reality, you must initiate change from within, knowing that the external world will mirror this internal shift. The law of relativity teaches that events themselves are neither inherently good nor bad. Rather, their significance is determined by the perspective you adopt. It emphasizes the importance of viewing situations from a broader standpoint, beyond individual experiences. What may seem like a monumental challenge to one person might appear trivial when compared to the struggles faced by others. Similarly, achievements that seem small to you could be monumental milestones for someone else. This law encourages you to refrain from hastily labeling events as either positive or negative. Instead, it prompts you to recognize that the meaning attributed to events is subjective and influenced by perception. By adopting this mindset, you can perceive events as neutral occurrences shaped by various factors. Ultimately, you possess the agency to assign meaning to the events in your life, understanding that their significance is fluid and subject to interpretation. The law of assumption suggests that our assumptions, beliefs, and expectations shape our reality. What we consistently assume to be true about ourselves, others, and the world around us becomes our reality, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and actions. This law highlights the power of our subconscious mind in creating our experiences and outcomes. When we consistently assume positive outcomes, opportunities, and possibilities, we tend to attract them into our lives or make them happen. Conversely, if we hold on to negative assumptions or limiting beliefs, we may unknowingly sabotage our potential and hinder our progress. Adopt the mindset and behaviors of the person you aspire to be. Act as if your assumptions and beliefs are already true, embodying the confidence, determination, and resilience associated with your desired reality. By harnessing the law of assumption, you can proactively shape your reality, overcome limiting beliefs, and unlock your full potential. The law of mentalism asserts that the universe is mental in nature, and that everything exists within the mind of the All, often referred to as the universal mind or infinite intelligence. According to this law, All creation, manifestation, and experience originate from the mental realm, and the external world is a reflection of the thoughts, beliefs, and consciousness of the individual and the collective. In essence, your thoughts create your reality, and the quality of your life is determined by the quality of your thoughts. This law emphasizes the power of the mind in shaping our experiences and influencing the course of our lives. Understand that your thoughts have creative power and influence the events and circumstances of your life. By directing your thoughts consciously and intentionally, you can manifest desired outcomes and experiences. Take responsibility for your thoughts, beliefs, and actions as the primary creator of your reality. By consciously directing your mental energy towards your goals and aspirations, you can actively shape your destiny and create the life you desire. The law of cause and effect, often referred to as karma, asserts that the energy you emit into the world returns to you in kind. Every action, whether positive or negative, carries consequences that reverberate back to the individual. Life events are not arbitrary. They unfold in response to the choices and actions undertaken. Acts of kindness yield beneficial outcomes, while harmful deeds bear repercussions. Just as every action elicits an equal and opposite reaction, the law underscores the principle of reciprocity in the universe. Understanding this law empowers individuals to take responsibility for the outcomes they experience. To alter the effects in one's life, one must first address the causes set into motion. Just as planting apple seeds yields apple trees, cultivating positive actions leads to favorable outcomes. Conversely, sowing seeds of negativity produces undesirable results. The law emphasizes the cyclical nature of existence, where what one gives inevitably returns, whether as reward or consequence. This universal principle underscores the interconnectedness of all actions and their enduring impact. While the consequences may not be immediate, they inevitably manifest, underscoring the importance of mindful action and accountability in shaping one's reality. The law of inspired action emphasizes that, while assumption, visualization, and affirmation are essential, true transformation occurs through action. However, this action must stem from inspiration, a deep alignment with one's desires, intuition, and inner guidance. It serves as the conduit between abstract thoughts and tangible reality, bridging the gap between the invisible and the manifest. This type of action is not coerced or driven by fear. Rather, it arises from a place of joy and enthusiasm, reflecting a harmonious alignment with one's authentic self. Inspired action feels effortless and natural, propelled by genuine excitement and a sense of purpose. It's the kind of action that ignites a spark within, motivating individuals to pursue their aspirations willingly and wholeheartedly. These timeless laws, known and embraced by the wisest throughout history, offer profound insights into the workings of the universe. When one disregards these principles, they unwittingly struggle against the natural order, leading to hardship and frustration. It is not a matter of punishment, but a consequence of swimming against the current of cosmic harmony. Aligning with these laws unlocks the path to fulfillment and success, allowing individuals to navigate life's journey with grace and purpose. We urge you to utilize the laws in your daily life and watch as great power and peace unfolds. Please consider subscribing for more life-changing content and share your thoughts in the comment section.